Hello and welcome to this tutorial on affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll show you how to make your first commission through affiliate marketing. We'll cover everything from finding the right affiliate program to building an email list and optimizing your website for conversions. First, let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is a marketing strategy where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate marketer and the product owner. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to worry about creating and shipping products, and you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Now, let's discuss the benefits of affiliate marketing and how you can make your first commission. Finding the right affiliate program. The first step in affiliate marketing is to find the right affiliate program. There are many popular affiliate programs out there, like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. But you need to choose a program that matches your niche. For example, if you have a fitness blog, you can join an affiliate program for fitness products. Another important factor to consider when evaluating affiliate programs is commission rates. You want to make sure you're promoting products that offer a reasonable commission for your efforts. Understanding your audience. Once you've chosen the right affiliate program, the next step is to understand your audience. You need to identify your target audience, know their needs and interests, and understand their purchasing behavior. By doing so, you can create content that resonates with your audience and encourages them to make a purchase. Creating valuable content is key to success in affiliate marketing. You want to create content that provides value to your audience and encourages them to take action. Some types of content that work well with affiliate marketing include product reviews, tutorials, and how-to guides. When creating content, you want to make sure it's informative, engaging, and includes your affiliate link. Promoting your affiliate products is the next step. There are many strategies for promoting affiliate products, but two popular methods are social media promotion and email marketing promotion. Social media promotion involves sharing your affiliate link on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Email marketing promotion involves sending promotional emails to your subscribers, encouraging them to make a purchase through your affiliate link. Building an email list. Building an email list is an essential part of affiliate marketing. You want to have a list of subscribers who are interested in your niche and willing to receive promotional emails from you. There are many strategies for building an email list, such as offering a free lead magnet, creating a landing page, and using pop-up forms. You can also use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit or our favorite, the online business app, to manage your email list. Creating a landing page. Creating a landing page is important to promote your affiliate products effectively. A landing page is a dedicated page that focuses on promoting a specific product or offer. It should include all the necessary information about the product, a clear call to action, and your affiliate link. You can use tools like Unbounce or Leadpages or the online business app to create landing pages easily. Optimizing your website for conversions. Optimizing your website for conversions is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. You want to make sure your website is user-friendly, loads quickly, and has clear navigation. You also want to make sure your website includes your affiliate links prominently and that your content is optimized for search engines. Using social media for affiliate marketing. Social media is a powerful tool for affiliate marketing. You can use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube to promote your affiliate products. One strategy is to create engaging content that includes your affiliate links. For example, you can create a YouTube video that reviews a product and includes your affiliate link in the video description. You can also use social media ads to target your audience and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Tracking your results. Tracking your results is important to measure the success of your affiliate marketing campaigns. You want to track metrics like clicks, conversions, and revenue to identify what's working and what's not. You can use tools like Google Analytics or affiliate network dashboards to track your results. Learning from your mistakes. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. You may not make a sale on your first attempt, but that doesn't mean you should give up. Instead, learn from your mistakes and improve your strategy. Ask yourself what worked and what didn't, and adjust your approach accordingly. Scaling your affiliate marketing business. Once you start making sales, it's time to scale your affiliate marketing business. You can do this by expanding your product offerings, creating more content, and reaching out to new audiences. You can also consider hiring a team or outsourcing some of the work to free up your time and focus on growth. Staying up to date with trends and changes. Affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and changes. Subscribe to industry blogs, attend webinars, and network with other affiliate marketers to stay informed. By staying up to date, you can stay ahead of the competition and continue to grow your affiliate marketing business. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income online. To make your first commission, you need to choose the right affiliate program, understand your audience, create valuable content, and promote your affiliate products through various channels. With time and effort, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business that generates income for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips and tutorials. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you click the link in the description below to check out our #1 affiliate marketing program, the Online Business App. With this program, we are earning passive income on a consistent basis with multiple streams of income.